Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have another haul. I know I've been doing a lot of hauls lately. It's sale season. The Aritzia sale had a chokehold on me. I ended up placing 2 more orders. Most of this stuff is like basics. The only thing you need to know is you need the 90s Marlowe high-rise baggy jeans. They are so good. I am 5'4". I don't need to hem them. I'm wearing them right now, one of the newer pairs. I ended up getting the really light blue and then the black eyeliner pair, which I'm wearing right now. You might see it later because I'm going to do a little bit of a try on. Get those. And the sale is now open to the public. And then I just picked up some sweatpants and some other things. But I want to show you some deals that I got because I have a piece from Jill Sander or Sonder. I don't know how to pronounce it. And I got off Essence. I think in total it was regular like $6 something. And I got it for half price. So I'm really excited to open this up. I just cut this here, but I actually haven't opened the package yet. And then I also went to Holt Renfrew and I got a couple of different things. One piece was on sale, so I want to share these with you. So let's start with the pieces from Essence first because I'm really excited for these. And like I said, I don't know what they look like. But the Essence sale is up to 70% off right now, which is amazing. So if you're looking for anything designer, definitely check out Essence. Let's open this up. I ended up getting some shirts. Is this not what I ordered? I ordered t-shirts. Unless they're in here, but what is this? It's like a dust bag for t-shirts. Let me just make sure. It says t-shirt 3-pack. Okay, so this is it. I don't know. I've never seen this before in my life. This is insane. That's when you know you're buying luxury. Okay. Oh, it's like 3 separate compartments for the t-shirts. Okay. Now you know they are. But I ended up getting some t-shirts. I know that everyone last year and kind of the year before is wearing the really oversized one that says Jill Sander right there. That's like $400. $500. I think it's on sale right now for like about $400 Canadian. And I wasn't going to pay that price point. And I feel like with that big Jill Sander, it's kind of like that Loewe tank that a lot of people have. I feel like it's being so oversaturated that people aren't wearing it now. It's like all the Gucci like t-shirts and stuff that people were in love with, and then they're like, oh, it's like so in your face that we're not wearing it anymore. So I wanted to get some shirts that, you know, were from Jill Sander so I could test the quality, but not necessarily break the bank. So, okay. So it opens up like that. It's literally a dust bag for shirts, and then there's 3 different shirts in here. So let's check this out. I got this from the men's side. I know on Farfetch they also had it for the women's, but this, like I said, was deep discount. I think the major thing is the length that's different because I was comparing the measurements with the arms and like the width and stuff. So anyway, let me just show you what I got. So I ended up getting a 3-pack of t-shirts. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty narrow actually that I'm looking at it. I want it to be fairly oversized, and the sleeves like a little bit shorter, so I'll try it on and you'll be able to see it. But these are just 100% organic cotton made in Italy. And then it just has the little Jill Sander logo down below, which I like. So it's just not in your face, but you know, it's kind of like a quiet flex that, you know, your shirt's Jill Sander. And I ended up picking these up in a size small men's. I was debating between this and the extra small. I'm really happy I didn't get the extra small though because these look pretty small in itself. Let me show you the white one now. They also have these in solids, so like you could get all 3 black, all 3 navy, all 3 white, but I just decided to go for the kind of mix of them. So I'm excited to give these a try. Like I said, I typically don't really invest in a lot of really expensive ready-to-wear items, but I figure if it's something like a basic, like a t-shirt, and I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it, I may as well give it a try and we'll see how these go. These were not final sale at all, but this dust bag for the shirts is crazy. Like, I don't even know what I would use this for later on. Maybe traveling? Moving on to Holt Renfrew. They have their big sale going on right now. So one of the pieces that I got was on sale, but the other piece that I got is a classic piece, and I'm really happy to finally add it to my collection. And it is by Longchamp. They actually just got the stock in today because I was looking at the site and they didn't have this color and the size, And then when I went to go get it, she's like, oh, we ended up getting it today. And I saw they had it online. So this is not my first Longchamp piece. I do have the backpack. And in the past, I actually did pick up this exact one in green and I ended up returning it. And then I also looked at the Energy Tote and I ended up returning that one too. But here we go. I got the Longchamp finally, which I know so many people love it. And I feel like it is such a classic handbag. It's such an affordable price point, so I'm so happy to add this to my collection. The main reason why I decided to get this is because I am traveling, and a lot of my tote bags don't have zippers, and then the ones that do are leather, and they're a little bit heavy, and I don't want to shove that underneath the airplane seat. So I just wanted something that would be durable, and I know people love Longchamp for good reason because they are so durable. Like my backpack, I have used that traveling. It's really great, but it's a little bit small, so that's why I just wanted to get the tote. So this is from the green line. I know that the classic Le Pliage, sorry, it's brand new, so it's got all those creases in it. I know the classic Le Pliage has that brown leather. And I was looking at that one, and I was looking at it in the navy blue as opposed to the black. I typically would gear towards the black, but I thought that the navy with the brown looked really nice. I like that this one in particular as opposed to like the classic colors with the brown handles. Like when you see that brown handle, you know automatically it's Longchamp, but I find that this one's a little bit more discreet because it's all sort of monochromatic with the matching handles and the matching nylon, but super resistant. I've been in the rain with my backpack before multiple times because I live in Vancouver and it rains all the time. But I just love this, and I love the color of this. I feel like I can wear this with light clothes, with dark clothes, and it'll just go really well. And I have to say, if you've never held one of these in person, they are so light. Like my backpack is also extremely light. And when you're traveling, I don't know if you're like me, I am an overpacker because I constantly think, oh, like I need this, or what if my husband needs this on the plane? So I know I'm definitely going to pack this up. And so you want something that's really light to begin with, so that's comfortable to wear. It doesn't like leave an indent into your arm, especially because it's not a crossbody. With a crossbody, it's a little bit easier to wear a backpack because that helps to distribute the weight a little bit easier. But the tote bag, I feel like it needs to be like, let me show you, for example, this one, which I kind of have easy access to. This one by Tote. It's a leather tote. It's gorgeous. It's stunning, but it's got some weight to it, right? And this is empty other than the stuffing right now. So it's empty. Like compared to these two, this is just a way better option to use. And I could use my Goyard. I know a ton of girls travel with their Goyard, but again, because it doesn't have that zip top, I just don't have that kind of security with it. And also I don't want to be shoving that under the seat, you know what I mean? So with this one, I just feel better about this, like I said, because it is so durable. Because it's much more affordable than my Goyard, I don't need to sort of stress out about that. And in general, when I travel, I don't like to take designer bags with me just because of a safety situation. You know, I don't want my bag to get stolen. If it cost me a lot of money, I would be devastated. I'd be devastated if this one got stolen too, but this one would just be a lot easier to rebuy, a lot easier on my wallet to repurchase, if you know what I mean. I know so many people love this handbag, but that is the first item that I picked up. And like I said, this was $200 Canadian. And again, if you're, you know, in the US, it's going to be even, you know, more affordable. But for a great classic handbag, I think you can't go wrong with this. And I'm so happy to finally add one into my collection after, you know, a couple of attempts with it. And then the next thing that I picked up was the item that was on sale. Oof, if you are a sneaker person like me, then you need to get these because the sale is just too good. They had 3 different colors of these, but these are, I didn't even try these on in stores, just like, yeah, I'm gonna get them. These are the 1906. Look at this colorway, people. This colorway is called, it's like gray green, but there was a different color. It's like gray matter or something like that. But these, like, look at these. amazing. So these are regular 200. They're on sale for 120 right now. Like, you cannot beat that. I looked and you cannot beat that. So the colorway of this, it has that really kind of beautiful sage green, and then it has that kind of light brown color. So if you are into wearing like a lot of the brown sweatsuits, I think that this will match it. If you're into wearing just like all black, or even the gray, like a gray sweatsuit with this, is just amazing. So I'm super happy to get these. And like I said, I have not tried them on. I got a US women's 8. That's typically what I'll get, or a 39.5 European. That's what I'll always get in my New Balance, except for the 530s. I sized down half a size. Let me know your thoughts. I will link everything down below. Definitely go and check out Essence, check out their sale, because like I said, I have bought so much from there in the past. And they have the, if you want the La Mer croissant right now, I mean, I think they're up to 50% off. I know that some of their Bottega items on the men's side go on sale too, because I was gonna get the nylon cassette last year. I just got a couple pair of Nikes from there. I got my Fendi sunglasses. I have bought a lot. Like, I am top tier with Essence. I think with their their whole points program, because I buy a lot from there. But anyway, I'll leave everything linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.